This is my assessing risk research. Similarities. Legal factors and laws are designed to protect or reinforce the rules that the employers/employees have to abide by. They are warning or guidelines to avoid risks and dangers. The court deal with similar cases, protect employers and employees from risks and hazards. They protect people from differences. They protect people from different risks and hazards. If a law is broken, it could lead to prosecution charges. Legal factors are designed to protect and create a caring work environment. The courts handle cases differently depending on what the offence or issue is. Similarities and differences between regulatory bodies. Similarities. All of these regulatory bodies ensure the safety for either schools, sports events, or the public working environment. Also, another similarity is for individual roles, whereas LEA is a council, therefore it would be a group of people. And differences. All of these regulatory bodies are assigned and are responsible for different areas. HSE is responsible for working places, environment, and preventing any risk of injuries occurring. LEA are responsible for protecting schools in a local county and try to improve schools and teaching. NABS are needed to monitor sport events as they ensure that the rules and regulations are up to date and up to standard, and so no cheating can occur. And that is my assessing risk research, Jake Bovington.